I went to an estate sale today and purchased all of these terracotta pots. I don't know how many there are, but there are a lot. Guess how much I paid for it? $10 for all of these. Now, I definitely didn't need all of these, but for $10 for all of them, why not? You know how they have a tendency of breaking in certain temperatures? I thought, you know, if some break, I still have so many more. But I just could not pass that up. So I'm going to clean them real well, and then I am going to perhaps put them in an area where they look a little decorative, and then of course use some of them use them for plants, but I want to decorate those that just sitting around. I don't know how I'm going to do that, but I will figure something out and I'll show you what I come up with. Just getting home from a lot of running errands, and I picked up a couple of things from the Dollar Tree that I thought might be of interest to gardeners. Now, I said before, when I'm out anywhere, that's a thrift store, a regular store, any store, I always ask myself when I'm looking at something, how can I use this in the garden? Well, this is a mixing bowl, and I looked at it and I thought, I'm always looking for scoops. I'm always looking for something to dig in the bag, to put into a container, into whatever I'm doing. And I looked at this and I thought, this is great. It's only $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. It's got a nice handle. Now, I would prefer a steel one, but we're talking Dollar Tree. If for some reason this is to break, and while I'm using it, I can always go by and get another one for $1.25. But I just saw this big, wide opening to scoop something out, and I thought this would be great. So I bought 2 of them. And I can use them whenever I need to scoop something out of whatever type of bag I'm using. I picked this bench up last year, 2023, and it is so nice and sturdy, but as you can see, it needs to be stained. Very nice bench. Today is a beautiful day. It's in the 70s. It looks so much better in the back. The sun doesn't get to it. But yeah, I'm getting ready to stain it. And I'm going to use Czar Deck and Siding, this black walnut. So I'm going to get started. This is the first coat. I like how dark it is. And with this paint, I don't have to use a polyurethane. It already has like a little shiny satin finish on it. And I don't know how many coats I'm gonna need. I'm gonna